Mu butongole Paalamenti ezzeemu okutuula eggulo lya leero oluvannyuma lw'akalulu akaweza ababaka abasoba mu bitundu 6 ababadde mu Paalamenti ey'e11 bw'abadde aggulawo olutuula luno. Omumyuka wa Sipiika Thomas Tayebwa ayozaayozezza abaayiseemu era n'asaasira abaagudde nti si ye nkomerero.
I want to congratulate you, honorable colleagues, who made it to the August House once again, and also our colleagues who didn't make it, come back here. We know you're already leaders. You will remain part of this family, and we shall continue working with you.
Wabula akulira oludda oluvuganya Joel Ssenyonyi olukutte omuzindaalo atandise na kulaga butali bumativu olw'emivuyo egy'enjawulo gy'abadde mu kalulu omwabadde n'okuwamba abanene mu kibiina ki National Unity Platform okuli n'abamyuka pulezidenti waakyo mu bugwanjuba n'obukiikakkono kw'ogatta n'abawagizi b'ekibiina bangi abatakubikako kimunye.
To be arrested, someone go through your office. But of course, what we saw with the Honorable Mwanga Chivumbi is that his home was raided by the military. Thankfully, and imagine I'm saying thankfully for him, he was not disappeared away. He was taken to police and then court. The Honorable Chagulanyi is suspected to be used as a public disorder hub. Those are the words that he used. And therefore, there's access control. I think you should not operate in the dark. If you think that my home has got an issue with public order, accessibility, why do you not bring me on board so that I know what can I do, what can I not do? Because now you know, but the family doesn't know.
Ssenyonyi alaze n'okutya olw'ab'ebyokwerinda abakyamaamidde amaka ga Pulezidenti wa National Unity Platform Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Magere nga balemesa abantu bonna kababe ba Luganda be okugendayo nga kumpi amaka ge gafusse kkomera.
His siblings went to see him, to see the family. They were denied access. So can we know, Honorable Minister, it's not enough for you to say we have put in place access controls. To what effect? Because when I know, then tomorrow if I flout what you have laid down, if it is legal, I can be held liable.
Ono era atadde gavumenti ku nninga ennyonnyole ani anenyezebwa ku buuma bwa biometric voters verification kits obwaggulwa akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ne butakola ng'ate omuwi w'omusolo yabusaasaanyizaako ensimbi ezisoba mu buwumbi 400.
Machines, when you see how much we spent on them, it was nearly 400 billion shillings. Part of that was to purchase the machines. Part of that was to train operators. The other was to hire people who were going to operate them. The other billions were to integrate features on the ballot paper so that when you scan it with the machine, it functions. All of that came at a cost. But alas, on election day, the machines failed to work. And we said, wait a minute, how come they have been functional? Because we spent billions of taxpayers' money. Is it that fake machines were procured? That means somebody has got to be held responsible. Is it that good functional machines were procured? However, they were frustrated from working. We need to know.
Mu kwanukula amyuka Sipiika Thomas Tayebwa ayise Minisita w'ensonga za ssemateeka n'obwenkanya Norbert Mao abitebye.
Some of these things raised are so critical, you don't need to just answer anyhow without very clear consultations. And I heard government was saying they are even doing investigations. So I think that would give them, no, it is under Electoral Commission. So it's the Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs who is in charge of the Electoral Commission that should answer.
Kyokka ye minisita omubeezi ow'ensonga z'omunda mu ggwanga David Muhoozi ategeezezza Paalamenti ng'amaka ga Kyagulanyi bwe gatannafuulibwako kkomera.
That the home of the Honorable Kyagulanyi is a prison. But I want to say that, first of all, a prison presupposes that there are prisoners in a premise. That home is not a gazetted prison. The Honorable Kyagulanyi himself is not there. So I want to state categorically that that home is not a prison.
Kyokka bino tebimatizza ababaka bali ku ludda oluwabula gavumenti nga bagamba nti engeri abakwatiddwa gye bakwatibwamu emenya amateeka.
The leader of opposition raised very important concern about the vice chair of Northern Uganda of Nubi. She disappeared. The family is looking for where she is. What we are interested in knowing is, tell us, where is she? Where have you detained her? And what charges was preferred before her?
Frank Chiddu, yakusakidde emboozi eno ku lwa KSTV aga leero.